Hello there, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we're going to unbox a brand new iPad Pro and this wooden figure that I got from IKEA. It's really cute. It's a wooden figure. You can move the arms, move the legs, and if you do art projects or something, or just like this wooden decorations, run to your nearest IKEA branch and get one before it runs out of stock. Here it is. Ta-da! It's really cute. I tried, unfortunately it cannot hold the Apple Pencil, but it's so cool. Here I am moving the arms and the legs. Now let me tell you what happened to my iPad and why I did the replacement. I got this iPad around 6 months ago and I used it since. It was perfect, no problems, and suddenly one night the screen started flickering. I had multi-touch problems and I got in contact with Apple support and they told me that I have to book an appointment and go to the nearest Apple store. Here is my iPad Pro box, and that box is the brand new iPad Pro that I got as a replacement. They don't give you a new charger or a new box, it is just the iPad. I had the iPad Pro 11-inch 4th generation 2022 Wi-Fi in the color Space Gray. And they gave me the exact same iPad. Ta-da! Here it is. I love the smell of brand new Apple products. And actually here I am freaking out because this product looked really darker. It is the space gray, but at this lighting it was really darker for me. Let go of the color. I use my iPad for almost everything. I edit my videos on it. I use Procreate to draw and make some animations. I use GoodNotes for making notes and also plan during the day. It has the M2 chip. It is really powerful. If you're looking to buy an iPad, I really recommend buying this one. It has the same chip as the 6th generation iPad Pro. So if you are looking for a bigger screen, the 6th generation comes in 12.9 inches, but in my opinion you don't need that much big screen. This is more than enough. It's not a laptop, it's an iPad, so 11-inch is just perfect for me. I went to ask what was our Wi-Fi password, and here I am trying to install the backup. And again, freaking out because I couldn't find the latest backup that I did before handing over the older iPad. In a few seconds it just pops up, but I'm letting you guys know, since the brand new iPad didn't come in the latest iPad OS, you cannot install the backup right away. You just need to set up the iPad, install and download the newest iPad OS, and then you can try installing your backup. And here I just chose don't transfer apps and data or data, or what it is. And we are done. Here is how the home screen looks. I just now go to the settings and try to install the newest iPad OS so I can install my backup. And for downloading, you need your password, and it asks you to agree to terms and conditions, and you should just wait for about 10 minutes. Meanwhile, I will show you what kind of Apple Pencil I use. This is the 2nd generation Apple Pencil, and here the box looks like this. Please ignore the cat hair that is attached to the box. I didn't realize it back then, and I have 2 cats. Everywhere is cat hair. And here is the Apple Pencil. It's white, as you all know. It is super easy to use. It gets charged as you attach it to the iPad. You don't need any extra charger. And here it shows you how to use it. It's a little manual. It's really easy. You don't need this. Here we wait for the iPad OS to get updated, and we will get back real soon. And here I am showing you guys how I made the worst decision ever with buying a cheap clear case for my iPad. It got yellow after a week, and I don't know how to say it enough, but I hate this thing. I just used this thing for 3 days, and then it was in the trash. It didn't let my Apple Pencil get charged. It was just staying attached, but no charging. Let me tell you guys what kind of screen protector I use on my iPad. I use the brand Paperlike and Paperfeel. They're both great, and if you are using your iPad to take notes or draw, or basically use your Apple Pencil, I really recommend it. And some say it might hurt your Apple Pencil tip, but you can always change that. It's not a big deal for me. Software update is complete. We have the latest iPad OS 17.1. Now I can just download the backup from my older iPad. All done. Anything I had before, my photos, my apps, I have it here right now. Just trying to customize my lock and home screen with the wallpaper that I always use, but I couldn't find it here right now, so I'm just sticking with this colorful one, and I'm just adding it to the lock screen too. Here it is, all set and done. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. I will see you soon. Bye bye.